Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the issue of desktop window XAML source in the taskbar and wish to remove it, then please watch this video. Now, other websites and channels are recommending you to reset OneDrive. I say no, that is not the real solution because it comes after an update and Microsoft will patch it eventually. Meanwhile, so first of all, we'll try a Windows update just in case they already pushed the patch. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. But for the time being, as a workaround, you can right click on the start button, select taskbar settings, and then go to other system tray icons and turn the switch off for hidden icons hidden icon menu. And lastly, obviously, you can try an SFC scan as well, just in case if it was caused due to corrupt files. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.